Today, we're introducing lzRead, a new primitive built on LayerZero, allowing developers to access any data on any chain over any period of time. lzRead, like messaging, is a simple on-chain invocation. Application requests the data, DVNs fetch the data from nodes, and return the data back to the application. Applications also have the ability in this design pattern to layer in any sort of virtual compute to the data that is being requested. Imagine you're on a long-tail chain building a DeFi protocol or any of the thousands of rollups that don't have Oracle support. You want the ETH USDC price from the Uniswap v3 pool on Ethereum? Done. Simple. Now, because you're not constrained to the most recent block, you have the ability to create a 25, 50, 100 block TWAP on the fly. Things like Omnichain governance, which LayerZero's own governance referendum will implement this December, now become extremely simple. Asset verification, things like verifying your Bored Ape on Ethereum on ApeChain, your in-game assets across any environment. State synchronization for applications, reward distribution, things like PancakeSwap's VE Cake distribution, balancers, VE-BAL boosted pools. With lzRead, building Omnichain applications just got significantly easier. We're extremely excited to see what people build.